In this makeup tutorial, we're going to go and do stitched mouth makeup. Now this might just be the perfect thing that ties any costume or maybe cosplay together, especially with Halloween being right around the corner. This might be great for you. So let's go and get started. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a thicker type of string. I'm actually using just string that you use for jewelry, and what you're going to want to do is cut just about 7 to 8 pieces of this. Now take some liquid latex and place it onto your lips. I like starting at one side and kind of going just very slightly inward along with filling in the different pieces because it looks so much cooler when you can still open up your mouth. Now continue to go and put down the liquid latex, and it's going to take a bit of time for this to go and dry. As you put these pieces down, keep in mind the spacing. You want to try to keep it relatively consistent with where the spaces are, just to make it look maybe a little bit more pleasing. But what you could also do instead of just putting these in a line is you could also maybe cross them over, make little X shapes. If you do make X shapes though, your mouth will not open as easily, or very slightly at least, until you do rip off the makeup or at least take off the string. After you have all the pieces of string down, cover it with liquid latex on the top of it, and then let everything fully and totally dry. Make sure to add a little string at the end. You can use the side of where your mouth is to kind of just put it down and have it as a measurement. Also make sure to put some liquid latex on the top. After everything is dried, go and brush red powdered cosmetic. I'm using some eyeshadow, which is going to really make it look like it's inflamed, swollen, everything like that, then followed up with some fake blood. You could also follow it up with a very small amount of black cosmetic to make it look like it's extra popped. I usually just put it kind of on the end of the string, and then I followed up with a little bit more fake blood. This fake blood is different than the other one that I was using. The one that I was using before just kind of spreads out a bit more, but this one stays in a pretty good space, so this one's a pretty solid fake blood. After your makeup is fully and totally dried and everything is set, it should look a little like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I am still posting 31 days of Halloween makeup, and I hope to see you at the next video. Happy spooky season!